Welcome to your SkyPlug SMART cord fixture installation guide. It is important to determine the fixture hanging height before cutting the wire. Typical fixture hanging height is 66 inches from the bottom of the fixture to the floor and 36 inches to the tabletop. For the cord fixture assembly, you will be using the finial nut and the swivel pendant finial from the kit. If you haven't already done so, remove the original canopy and hardware from the light fixture. After determining your desired fixture height, leave about 6 inches additional wire length for the connection to the smart controller. Place the finial nut down the cord, followed by the canopy with the decorative side facing down. Insert the wire through the pendant finial as shown. Remove one of the screws on the wire cover and slide the cover to the side to expose the wiring terminals. Loosen the terminals. Route the fixture wire into the U-shaped channel of the threaded stem. Holding the controller in one hand, pull up and twist the top part of the swivel pendant finial towards the controller to tighten, but do not over-tighten. Cut the remaining wire if needed, while leaving enough wire length to insert into the terminals. Strip the edge of each wire to 3/16 inches. Twist the copper wire to help prevent any loose strands. Insert the neutral wire into the terminal marked N. Neutral is white color or wire without writing and with a rough edge. Insert the live wire into the terminal marked L. Live is black color or wire with writing and a smooth edge. Tighten the screws to ensure that the wire is firmly secured and cannot be pulled out. Insert the ground wire into the terminal marked G. Ground is usually bare copper or green color. Some fixtures may not be supplied with a ground wire. When finished, secure the wire cover back into place. You are now ready to install your light fixture by plugging it into the Sky outlet. To install, hold the fixture and press the push button on the side of the controller. Keep the button pressed in until inserted into the outlet. Once fully inserted, let go of the push button and push up on the controller to lock it in. You should hear a clicking sound. Slide the lighting base canopy up to the ceiling, placing the antenna through the small hole. Secure the canopy with the finial nut. The SkyPlug has 2 sets of locking bearings to support the light fixture. The first set mechanically secures the SkyPlug to the Sky outlet. Once the SkyPlug is fully inserted, the second locks into place and allows for both electrical contact and mechanical support. If the controller drops down, the fixture is not fully engaged. Repeat the process if needed. Press the controller button. Once inserted, let go and push up towards the ceiling until you hear a clicking sound. To remove the fixture, press the push button on the side of the smart controller to release the fixture. Lastly, if desired, use the center cap to cover and protect the Sky outlet while painting, cleaning, or maintenance. To install, align the 2 slots on the cover plate and turn to secure. You have successfully installed your SkyPlug SMART device. Now it is time to connect the device to your phone. The smart lighting base is compatible with all standard single pole and three-way switches. It is not compatible with a dimmer switch. Dimmer switches need to be replaced with a standard single pole on-off switch. The total wattage load of the smart lighting base cannot exceed 240 watts incandescent and 120 watts LED. To calculate, simply add the wattage of all the bulbs that will be in your light fixture.